Welcome to the course, Introduction to Hydraulic Fluids and Hydraulic System Maintenance. Hydraulic systems are everywhere in industry. They help machines lift heavy loads, move equipment, and perform powerful, precise motions every day. But none of that would be possible without hydraulic fluid. Hydraulic fluid does much more than just move through pipes. It lubricates moving parts, controls temperature, and protects the system from wear and damage. It also helps seal the system by filling tiny gaps between metal parts, which helps prevent leaks. This comprehensive course will introduce you to the differences between hydraulic and pneumatic systems. We will discuss different types of hydraulic fluids and how to choose the right hydraulic fluid for different applications. We'll also explain what anti-wear additives are and how they help protect hydraulic components. In addition, we'll cover fluid viscosity and the difference between low viscosity and high viscosity fluids. You'll learn why viscosity is important for hydraulic system performance and efficiency. And at the end, you'll learn about common maintenance practices, like inspecting for cracks and leaks, and checking breather caps and fill screens. In the next lessons, we'll take a closer look at what you'll learn in Introduction to Hydraulic Fluids and Hydraulic System Maintenance.